Bah! How's it going, guys? I hope you're doing good. I'm good. I'm doing good. I hope you're enjoying my videos. So if you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe. So in today's episode, I'm going to show you something that you can do easily on your car without spending a lot of money. I'm going to show you how you can clean your engine bay, because it's important to have your car clean. So I'm going to show you how you can do it with common tools and DIY stuff. So let's do it. Alright guys, as you can see here, my engine bay is, it's dirty. To clean this up, I will be using this engine cleaner. This looks to be nice because it's water based, and as you can see here, you have to apply it when you want to wash, and you have to wait 5 to 10 minutes for the reaction. Then you have to remove with water. All right, and make sure that you dry up the electronic components, because you don't want water in your electronic components. So you have to buy some of these. As you can see, is water based, so it doesn't have I guess it doesn't have a lot of chemicals that can damage your wires or things like that. So in order to do that, I will unmount the top cover to make sure that I clean it up. Another thing, you will have to protect your air filter box, because you don't want water to get inside of there. In order to protect your box, in my case, I just unbolted this part and inserted this plastic here to make sure that no water goes inside. And another thing that I forgot to mention is that you have to make sure that your engine is cold. Do not use this product while your engine is hot, because they say don't use when the engine is hot. As I told you guys, I will be taking off my covers just to make sure that I will wash everything. Alright, now we have the top cover off. Of course, make sure that you close your engine. Okay, now it's time to use the product. As you can see, I have just used a bit, and you put where you have grease, where you have dirt. Okay, make sure you put everywhere. Now turn on your watch, and let's wait for 5 minutes. Other to do a beautiful job, I will be using this old brush to help cleaning the engine. Okay, just like this. All right, now we got water. Let's rinse out. All right, guys, as you can see, the engine is more cleaner now. I'm loving this product. So now let's go to the details. We are going to grab the toothbrush and again take more dirt off. All right, guys, this is how the engine is looking like after the third run. Now grab your towel, a towel or a piece of clothes that you have, and make sure that you wipe all the water that you have on your car, especially on the electronics, in the the connectors and things like that. Make it everything dry. Alright guys, this is it. This is how the engine bay is looking now. As you can see, we were able to take out the grease and dirt from the engine and all its components. As you can see down there, it was very dirty. Here was too dirty, and now we took all the grease and stuff out of the engine. That's it guys. As you can see, it was a very straightforward process. You don't need too much tools. The only thing you need is this engine cleaner that costs only 800 meticals. You can go to your local store parts and you can buy it for 80 bucks. And of course you can use also a whole old tat brush that will help you to get in the most unreachable areas. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like, please put your like and comment below. Please subscribe and share the videos with your friends to make sure that you have a engine bay cleaned like this. So that's it guys. See you next time.